You heard it about Brazil, one of the biggest countries, or with a ritual fauna and animals. A natural giant or a monster to usher just a place on a map. Still, it is an insult to think that is just everything it had. Except its interest in biogeography, there is something hiding beyond that. Its economy. Billions and billions of USD that are spent or invested, wherein a result the GDP was $2 trillion just in 2024. Affected by a series of reforms in the last years, the economy had increased. In December of 2023 until 2024, this was debated on how construction taxes over contribution goods and services tax should unite. From five taxes, the ECMCs, PICs, ICSs, COFINS, and IPI are unified in one tax system. These taxes will be implemented slowly at the beginning of 2026, keeping the same account of every tax. Also, the businesses are affected by this amendment, in which the good products, sin taxes, tax, and digital services will grow around 26% for each tax, making Brazil's economy enter in a, let's say, in a short stagnation. As a short effect, the investors will be precautious to invest in the country with those taxes. They, as a main player in the economy, can invest in this stagnation to receive a higher income back. In the future, the exchange will make Brazil another central giant in a specific field. Normally, if the monies are well gested. Talking about central giants, Brazil has taken a big step in reforming its industrial sector. This project, launched by President Lula, aims to promote green energy, healthcare development, and technological advancement. Not only is this a strategic move to grow this sector, but it's also expected to create thousands of jobs and enhance human capital. The government have pledged 300 billion to fund this ambitious plan. From helping the environment to supporting people with health struggles, these progressive programs promises a better quality of life. According to economist Mateus Labroni, he supports the initiative and compares it to East Asian industrial strategies. He emphasizes it is a long-term focus, which he believes is more effective than the usual short-term policies seen in other places. Imagine the transformation this investment could bring both for the people and for the economy. One concern surrounding Nova Industria Brazil was the risk of budgetary deficit, with critics warning it could lead to uncontrollable inflation. However, 2024 proved them wrong. Brazil showed could maintain fiscal discipline. True, public spending was capped at 17%, growth in the government spending was limited to 2.5%, and the budget deficit was kept to 45 billions. This restored investors' confidence. Brazil's central bank also played a key role, successfully lowering inflation from 13% to 12% in the same year. Unemployment is another area of improvement. After the 2020 COVID-19 pandemic, the unemployment rate had increased, and Brazil has brought the rate down from 10% in 2020 to 6% in 2024, and is still decreasing. With new jobs being created under Nova Indústria Brazil, this number is expected to fall even further. Brazil has shown its traditional ability to manage money wisely in 2024. With solid fiscal policy, bold reforms, and long-term investment strategies, the country is regaining the trust of global investors. If these reforms are sustained, Brazil will become a major economic power in the coming decades, not just for its natural wealth, but for the strength of its industries, institutions, and people.